Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be talking about FutureFinance24, the new trading platform out there. We'll be going through the different sections of the main website, and then we'll be going through the platform. I'll be showing you a little bit of trading indicators like the moving averages and the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, and many more. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Of course, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out too. Enjoy the video. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. Hey guys, and welcome. And now we are on the FutureFinance24 platform or official site. The links will be in the description below, and we'll be going through the different sections of this website. I'll be showing you around, and then we'll be going through the platform and talk a bit about the technical indicators. So at FutureFinance24, we focus on providing an environment where traders are empowered to achieve better goals. And of course, we go global with Future24. Here you can be trading stocks, indices, commodities, and forexes, and of course bundles, which are unique ETF products that consist of baskets of assets curated by our experts to provide balanced exposure to diverse financial markets with a single trade position. Of course, we'll be going through these in details in a bit, and here is a small table showing the exchange rate between Euro, USD, GBP, CHF, and the Canadian dollar. Of course, FutureFinance24 is delivering really good quality trades and exchanges. And of course, with one account, you have endless market opportunities from real service and support to fast and transparent to technology and really professional and guided tools. And of course, while using Future24, I've noticed that I'm really secure. The team is always trying to guide me through the different problems or guides me through the different aspects of the site. And whenever I need help, I'll be just going through the support to get more help and more details about what's going on. And of course, the next section is why trading with Future Finance. Like I told before, in this site, you can be trading forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and of course bundles, which are unique ETF commodities. And of course, you can be checking every single one of these in detail by clicking this section right here and go through the different details. Unleashing the true potential of CFD trading with the FutureFinance24 trading platform. Of course, CFD is a really important matter while trading, and of course on Future you can be trading and doing CFD trading. Of course, there is bundles and there is margin. If you want to check out more of these information, you could be checking the link in the description below. We'll putting everything in detail, so you could be just checking it out. Of course, starting with FutureFinance24 is actually really easy. So the first step would be opening a free trading account. And it takes only a matter of minutes, and then you just deposit funds and then you start trading. Of course, if you are interested to start trading straight away, you just need to press this button right here and you will be directed to the login page for the platform. In this case, I'm already logged in, so it will be automatically bringing me to this small section right here. So as you can see here, this is the platform. You can see here the charts. On the left, you can see all the different, let's say, filters from favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, currencies, commodities, and indices. And you can be checking just these on the platform. Of course, here you have the time bar and here the type of bars that you want to be configuring your chart with. Of course, here there are some customizable aspects that you could be checking in order to have the better experience while trading. And here is the indicator screen that we'll be going through in a bit. So here you can be finding all different of technical indicators that will be helping you to do orders. Of course, down there is the open orders, pending order, and close orders, and on the right you could be just customizing your order details from take profit, stop loss, selling, buying, and the investment amount. Of course, this is the pending section where you could be buying for a specific price. And now we'll be going through different indicators, and we'll be going to talk about the moving averages as a first technical indicator. So a moving average, let me look for it here. So there are, of course, different types of moving average. And if you press it, it will be automatically on the chart. So the moving average smoothes out the price data to identify the direction of the trend. The most common types are the simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average. Of course, you could be checking this in here, and how to use them is pretty simple. So if the price is above the moving average, it is considered as an uptrend, and if it is below, then it's a downtrend. And of course, a bullish signal is generated when the short-term MA crosses above a long-term MA. And now we'll be going through the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and it is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements on a scale from 1 to 100. So there is the overbought or oversold conditions, which are above 70 typically, and this indicates that the security is overbought, while values below 30 indicates that it's oversold. And of course, the diversion, a bullish diversion occurs when the price makes a new low, but the RSI makes a higher low, and a bearish diversion occurs when the price makes a new high, but the RSI makes a lower high. Of course, it is pretty easy to use it. And the next indicator that we'll be talking about is the stochastic oscillator, or RSI. There is both on this side, but we'll be talking the stochastic oscillator. So the stochastic oscillator compares a particular closing price of a security to a range of its price over a certain period of time. And it typically consists of two lines. So it is the hashtag K and the hashtag D. And this one we'll be skipping because we'll be talking more about the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band, and it is typically an SMA, or two outer bands, standard deviations above and below the SMA. So the overbought or oversold conditions when the price is touching the upper band may indicate overbought condition, while price is touching the lower band might indicate oversold condition. And of course, you have more and more indicators that you could be checking here. The Fisher transform, I like to use this one, the envelope, the Keltner channel, the Klinger oscillator, and many other more that you could be checking. And of course, when hopping on the platform, you could be just playing around with these indicators and seeing and understanding more how to use them and how to benefit from them in order for you to have a better trading experience. And luckily on FutureFinance24, you have a lot of these indicators. So you can be just playing around, checking different charts, going through different indicators and seeing what's popping with each one of them. Of course, in the next section, we'll be talking a little bit more about the risk management strategies. And the first one that we'll be talking about is the position sizing. So here you can be changing the position, and it involves determining the number of units to buy or sell based on your account size and risk tolerance. And of course, we have here the take profit and the stop loss orders. So these are also pretty simple and pretty basics to know. And it's basically taking the profit when you are in profit, or stopping losses when you are going down. And you could be just customizing these by just pressing these right here, and you'll be seeing them down here, potential profit or maximum loss. And everything is just really, really detailed. So you need to be also checking these advanced, let's say, settings before placing the order or opening the trade. Because these really help you out once you are starting to trade, and it really, let's say, controls your loss and really puts a counter on your profit. Here there are the different modes that you could be checking. Of course, the night mode and the light mode. I'm using this one because it's night right now. And now we'll be going through different accounts on FutureFinance24. So there are 4 main accounts: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So the bronze is from $250 minimum deposit. The silver is $2,500 minimum deposit. The gold $10,000, and the platinum is $50,000. And for each account, you have different, let's say, features that are being added to each one of them once you hire your capital of trading. So for example, the max leverage for the bronze account is 1-on-200, while the silver one is 1-on-300, and it goes up by account. And of course, more features like monthly sessions with a senior market analyst, or weekly session with the access to Trading Central research and analytics, which are available only for the gold and platinum. So you could be checking this one before opening an account and checking which account fits you better. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about FutureFinance24, and we talked about the main website. We went through different sections, and we talked a little bit about the technical indicators that they have available on the website in the platform. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Of course, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check out too. Have a good day. Bye-bye.